Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream caramel with egg. First, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a beautiful golden brown caramel. Once it reaches the perfect color, carefully pour the hot caramel into a 9-inch round baking dish. Tilt the dish gently to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. Let it cool and harden completely. Now let's prepare the creamy custard. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs and 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light and frothy. Next, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a saucepan. Do not boil it. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent them from scrambling. This creates a smooth, uniform custard base. With your caramel base and custard ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture over the hardened caramel in your baking dish. Now, place this dish into a larger roasting pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath, ensuring the water comes about halfway up the sides of your caramel dish. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the center is just set. Once baked, let your cream caramel cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the dish, then invert it onto a serving plate. The caramel sauce will beautifully cascade over the silky custard. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly made cream caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.